So when we talk about monetizing external analytics, one of the things that the things that we typically see our customers leveraging is one of four potential business models, which are what we're showing here. What we call with keeping up with the Joneses is when a business is trying to be competitive. They might see their competitors in the market adding external analytics to their applications. Whether that's perhaps a banking application which gives you some data visualizations of your accounts, perhaps it's a utility bill provider which gives you some insights into your utility usage. We're seeing more and more companies adding these kind of functionalities into their base product. So we see a lot of our customers also trying to do that to make sure that they're competitive. They're not necessarily trying to sell any additional products or kind of drive any additional revenue. It's more about making sure that their base product is keeping up with the competition. The next model that we talk about, what we call analytics upsell, is where a company or an organization sees an opportunity to provide an additional service to their users. Perhaps they've realized that some of the data that the company is holding could be leveraged to really help their customers and to do something more advanced. A good example of this is one of our customers develops a business application for managing essentially finances within businesses. But because of the data that they hold, they recognize that there was an opportunity to actually provide insight to their HR teams of their customers to look at the welfare of their staff, how they were behaving, how they were working. So that kind of finding new and novel ways to leverage all that data that's been held and to use that to really sell an additional service to their customers that they kind of recognize as a premium tier. The next model that we often see is what we call data sellers. So these are organizations that use technology and other means to collect and to gather a lot of data, which they then sell on to their customers. One such customer of ours is a customer which effectively performs scraping of e-commerce platforms to keep a record of kind of merchandising behavior and product visibility, and then sells that data back to organizations who are selling those products. And that data is surfaced in Tableau in order to kind of give insight into the visibility of their products, how those products are ranked compared to their competitors' products, and how they can actually act on that information in order to kind of drive their business. The final model that we see, which we call managed service providers, these are typically organizations which provide services to other companies and use Tableau as a means of delivering those services. So one such example here is a company which provides market research for the medical industry, and they provide research on a customer basis, looking at that customer's competitors, looking at their product offerings, and then when they actually compile those reports and compile those kind of insights, they actually deliver those insights back to their customers using
Tableau as a platform.